y'all. Fuck yeah, let's go. This is the fun part. This part's a little windy. We got that fun part. So Lime Creek is going to be up here on the right. We take a little slight right turn towards it. If we were to go straight, we would end up in the water. There's like a little boat ramp towards the end here. There's a Valente Beach, baby. Valente Beach. Here, I just hit it on that last one. I'm gonna hit it here probably. Oh no, it's a lot better. This guy's working on his lawn. I'm gonna be a little courteous to him. Short shifter feels good, clutch feels really good. And I got no complaints right now on power. I got no complaints on anything right now. No complaints. They're sandy great. Car feels good. This is the tightest turn, I think. There's a Miata. turn. 150, baby. This one is the one I rub on, I think. Oh yeah. She fun. If there was going to be a cop, this is where a cop would be. So I like to be in a manageable speed to slow down. And here's where they take a lot of photos. This is the corner on Lime. This is where everybody hangs. Another tight one. This is a second gear turn right here. Whee! So this bike's like, oh, you better not be in my lane, bud. I'm going fast too. Here we go. Look at him. He's ripping it. He's trying to catch up to his friends. They dusted him on the straight or something. He's like, oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Not today. Ultima. Big Ultima energy. That's okay. We'll let the brakes cool off for a little bit. This is where it starts to get into some housing too. This is a really nice area. I love this area. I've been driving this road since I was like, probably before I was even 16, honestly. Look at that Colombian flag. Got the Colombian flag over here. Somebody passed away right there, so I've taken a lot of photos here. We've only hit 22.5 pounds of boost. Nothing crazy. Nothing groundbreaking. Still stock turbo car here on E30 though. On E30. I hate getting behind slow drivers out here. It's like the worst part of it. You start moving and grooving. I did get a good little section going, which was nice. But not as fun. Not as fun when you have to cruise. There's a little uphill area. I think that I call this direction the uphill, the other direction's the downhill for sure. Coming from the gas station from Anderson Mill instead of coming from 2769. 2769 is the uphill. Which I like the uphill a lot with this car, just it's fucking torquey. But I mean, this car can do both very well. Fortune auto coilovers, Focus RS brakes, white line sway bars. really need, baby. Fortunato, man, I can't say enough about these. I was on lowering springs beforehand, and they ran pretty good. I had a track day on the lowering springs too, but these coilovers, man, it's night and day, man. This car is just like, oh my goodness, I love this car. It's so low, it looks so good. It's just fun. It's a fun little car. Clutch feels good, short shifter feels good. It just needs more power now. Just needs more power, baby. More power, baby. Turn up here, so I'm gonna do like a we can't even try to launch. I haven't really tried to launch this car from a dig yet. You can see how it does. Or not launch, but it's fun, and then didn't want to go in second. That's funny. I bet second gear for 20 is kind of crazy though. I remember this turn very well, and I got big brakes, so definitely don't do that if you're a normal person. I should have been in third. Yeah, they hit 25 pounds there. It's like, not what we wanted. That's funny. But yeah, Lime Creek Road, y'all. Check it out if you haven't. It's one of the best ones out here. It's my favorite. Especially in Texas, we don't have a whole lot of like windy roads. Most of the stuff you see is a lot of highway stuff. So definitely fun to check out stuff for, you know, lower horsepower cars like this. It's great. It's a lot of fun. Enjoy. And we'll check you on the next one. Receipt or something. I think it was an eyeglass wipe. That's funny.